Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, our today's topic is Rebus reading. The little bird. You are looking at the picture of bird, tree, sing, storm, wind, rain, nest, sun. Once upon a time, there was a little bird who lived in a tree. The bird loved to sing. He would sing all the day long. One day a big storm came. The wind blew and rain fell. The little bird was scared. He hid in his nest after the rain. The sun was shining. The little bird was so happy. See you in the next lesson.